Here's the news of the day for May 5th of 2025.
AltoVolo has unveiled its Sigma hybrid electric VTOL aircraft, featuring a 510-mile range, a cruising speed of 220 miles per hour, and 80% less noise than helicopters, aiming to redefine personal air mobility.
Amprius Technologies has unveiled its 450 watt-hours per kilogram SiCore lithium-ion battery, the most energy-dense cell in the SiCore line, offering 950 watt-hours per liter and up to 80% more energy than conventional graphite anode cells.
Quantum Systems secured a €27 million contract to supply Spain's armed forces with 91 Vector ISR drones, enhancing mid-range reconnaissance capabilities across multiple military branches.
Since 2014, Bristol Royal Infirmary's rooftop helipad has enabled 1484 emergency landings, providing critically ill patients with rapid access to specialist care, significantly improving survival outcomes thanks to support from the Help Appeal charity.
A massive wildfire near Jerusalem burned over 5,000 acres, forcing evacuations and highway closures, as international firefighting aircraft joined efforts to contain Israel's worst blaze in a decade.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.